Having trouble with Roblox not loading on your iPhone? This can happen due to network problems, app glitches, or an outdated iOS. In this video, I'll show you an easy step-by-step way to get Roblox working on your iPhone. Let's get it fixed. Before doing anything else, then make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check down detector. First, open up the Safari browser. Next, tap on the search box and type down detector without any space. Tap on the first link. Then tap on the search icon from the top right corner. Now search Roblox. Next, tap Roblox from here. Then scroll down. Here you can see whether the official Roblox server is down or not. If not, then follow my next solution. Solution 2. Offload the Roblox app. Open up the settings again. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the Roblox app. If you don't find the Roblox app here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on Roblox. Then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. If you still have the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After resetting the network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Your Roblox loading issue should be all set now. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. Stay tuned until then.